Hey guys, let's play Roblox. So yeah, I have a comment says, Austin, please play Roblox. So I just play for it. So we're gonna play Twisted Murderer. Yeah. Oh yeah. So yeah guys, let's play by time yesterday again. Sorry but guys. So oops. Sorry. See you in the game, guys. So there we are. Guys. I hope it doesn't lag. So yeah, let's play. Twisted Murderer. It's hard to play when your hands in the phone. So we're gonna spectate. Wait, wait. Sorry, I got that. A murderer is him. Okay. Start. Camper. He's the camper. So I can zoom in where you guys can see. So yeah. So Toon 1, 3, 4 and that one. So yeah. I'm just like a noob. Sorry but guys. So yeah. Let's see. Shops. Yes. Okay, I have that still. Oops. So yeah guys, let's play. Oops. Oh my god, this is a Tesla. What the heck? Wait for it. Let's see murderer guy. Yeah, this is the hacker. Hackbar. Okay. Sorry that guys. Sisters always be like that. So shh. Oh my god. 1 second. So sorry, I die. See you in the next chat. So guys, it's shoot down. So yeah. So see you in the game. Bye. That's me guys. Let's hide. Sorry guys. Like and glitches. I hope you enjoy this. If not, smack that like button or subscribe for more. So bye bye. See ya guys. See you guys. Bye. And one more thing is juice. Wait, sorry guys. Juice. So bye bye.